Welcome back. Hi there. I'm Cyber Tutor, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the core of computer networks. As I mentioned in the previous video, one of the core skills to join cybersecurity is network fundamentals. Whether you're new to the field or brushing up on your knowledge, this video is your gateway to understanding how networks operate and why they are crucial in cybersecurity. Let's kick things off with a simple question. What is a computer network? At its essence, a computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that share resources and information. Imagine it as a bustling digital highway where data packets travel at lightning speed, connecting everything from your smartphone to massive data centers across the globe. Here's the deal. Networks are the lifeblood of all digital communication. They enable everything we do online, from sending emails to streaming videos to accessing cloud services. And because of this, they are prime targets for cyber attacks. Cyber criminals are constantly looking for vulnerabilities in networks to exploit. Whether it's through malware, phishing, or DDoS attacks, the network is often the battleground. As future cybersecurity professionals, your mission is to understand these networks inside out to defend against these threats. Let's break down some of the key components you'll encounter in the world of networks. First up, devices. These include everything from computers and smartphones to routers and switches. Each plays a unique role in the network ecosystem. Next, we have protocols. Think of these as the rules of the road for data traveling across the network. The most important one you'll hear about is TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, short Internet Protocol. It's the language that enables different devices to communicate with each other. And finally, topologies. This refers to the layout or structure of the network. Common types include star, mesh, and bus topologies. Each has its own advantages and use cases. Understanding these components and how they fit together is like having the blueprint to a fortified castle. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your cybersecurity strategies. That's it for our introduction to network fundamentals. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into network security protocols, explore advanced monitoring techniques, and share practical tips for keeping networks safe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions and topic requests in the comments below. Stay curious and stay secure.